Welcome to our AI for Excel course. We are so excited to have you here, and very soon you'll be learning how to use artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and the built-in AI features of Excel to make your job easier, more efficient, and ultimately more powerful. You're going to jump into the learning very soon, and our lead instructor, Alan, is so excited to be on this journey with you.
So what are you going to learn in this course? You'll start by learning Excel's built-in AI tools. Then you'll learn the revolutionary tool ChatGPT, starting with the basics but quickly move into advanced skills like working with formulas, data cleaning and transformation, data analysis, macros, and more.
Our goal is that by the end of the course, you'll feel confident implementing AI into your Excel workflow. This will save you time and money and make you a desirable employee, something that you can leverage to get that raise or start a new job. A couple quick tips to make this course fun and easy. If you ever get stuck, use the Q&A dashboard. You can ask a question and we'll be there to help. Set learning reminders so that you actually finish the course. Most online course students don't complete the classes, but we want you to be one of the exceptions. Once you finish the class, claim that certificate of completion. This is what you can use to get that raise, get that promotion, or start a new job. While watching the course, you could always pause, rewind, you can speed up or slow down the video playback, or turn on or off captions to make it easy to watch for you. And lastly, practice with us. While taking the class, make sure you're playing around with Excel. This is the best way that you can retain the knowledge.
One last thing, Udemy will prompt you to leave a review early in the course. Your reviews are the best way to help us out, so please leave a rating and a review when you're ready. You can always change it later. If you're not ready, you can skip the prompt. Now let's get learning. Set yourself a personal goal of watching at least 10 to 15 minutes of lectures both today and tomorrow. Let's get started.